Hey everyone. I'm sitting here working on my next video, which is going to be kind of a short one. I have been struggling here with some intense weather. We had an incredible snowstorm. I'm sure everyone heard about what happened in Texas. Well, here on the East Coast, we also had a ice storm. We had two pretty deep snows, not too deep, but for us deep, and that was followed by an intense snow where the snow stuck to the trees, and it just seemed like it wasn't going to melt. It just stayed cold, and then we got a kind of a precipitation on top of that, and then the trees started snapping and falling, and it just everybody was out in our neighborhood and in most of Virginia, in the central and western part of Virginia, where we were out for. We were lucky; we were only out for 2 days, but it sort of threw a wrench in my plans to get the next video out, and sort of threw me behind. Plus, the weather, has not lent itself to being outside, which is where I wanted to do some things around the fire, down at my campsite. But I think I sort of changed gears once we got the power back up. We did actually have some normal weather again. It was 60 degrees the other day, so it's sunny, which it started to dry out, but we've also had a lot of rain, and so I haven't had a chance to get outside. But I think my next video is going to be a how-to video, the 14 things that I learned about how to write a novel. So I'm sort of waiting to pull all that together. I think I'm going to start on that tomorrow. I had some great footage I pulled together of the snow and ice storm. Not too dramatic, but kind of fun. So I'm putting together a little short video tonight for that. And so I'm just going to let that run. I'll have some, I think I have some footage in here of the Weather Channel or some of the news footage of that also. I mean, we didn't have anything like what the people in Texas were suffering. Our power was out for 2 days. Theirs was out for a week or 2 weeks, and it was bitterly cold there. We have, since we're out in the boonies anyway, our power does go out, so we have a generator, gas generator, big old noisy thing, but boy, it keeps the toilets flushing and the water running and the heat on, and just enough to do a little bit of internet, but that went down actually fairly quickly also, so we had no internet for most of the 2 days. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update on kind of where I am, why I haven't put anything out, and hopefully you'll have some fun watching some of the content here in the snow and ice. And we're now on March 1st, so hopefully we'll have some spring weather coming soon, and I'm looking forward to getting out at the fire pit and talking more about Rivendell there. So anyway, glad you guys stopped in to check on us and see what we were up to, and I'll see you in the next video. It's another snow day. Whew. It is quite beautiful out here. Thought you guys might enjoy taking a peek. Anyway, more snow.
This morning, the frozen fallout from a massive winter storm impacting residents across the Southeast not accustomed to this kind of winter blast. States of emergency declared in Virginia and North Carolina. Treacherous conditions bringing roads to a standstill.
I stopped at the intersection for the light and I got stuck immediately.
North Carolina's governor calling in the National Guard to help those stranded in the snow. The historic whiteout conditions triggering blackouts. power companies reporting outages affecting nearly 400,000 across Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia. Long lines and massive delays at airports, with over 1,700 cancellations.